How to watch Naruto Shippuden in Crunchyroll. If you want to watch Naruto Shippuden inside of Crunchyroll, it's actually quite simple to do so. All you have to do is just make sure to launch the Crunchyroll app and make sure that you're also signed into your Crunchyroll account. Once you sign into your Crunchyroll account, this is the kind of interface that you will actually be able to see. Now from here, what you have to do is to simply tap on the search icon from the top right hand side and then simply search for Naruto Shippuden over here, as you would be able to see. Now you can see Naruto Shippuden with 17 seasons and over 500 episodes. You can simply go ahead and select that and just hit the continue button over here in order to begin watching Naruto Shippuden on your Crunchyroll app. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.